We're gonna make our brine for our fermented cucumber slices, guys. I have 4 cups or a liter of water in here. It's not chlorinated, guys. It's spring water, okay? I'm using pink Himalayan salt for this, guys. And you're gonna think this is way too much salt, but I promise you it's not. Cucumbers have an enzyme that makes them really, really soft, really fast. So this is how you need to do your, how you need to make your brine for them, okay? So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons, that's 15 milliliter tablespoons. So I'm only making a quart. So if you're making more, just adjust the quantities, okay? All I'm gonna do is dissolve this salt and then let it cool down so we can continue with our recipe. I sliced 3 small cucumbers and put them in this bowl. I also sliced some red onion, this size. I have a whole head of garlic, which I peeled and halved. I'm going to add some pickling spices to this. You can add just black peppercorns and mustard seeds if you want, or even some dill. And we're going to start stuffing it into the jar. I'm not going to crush the vegetable, I just want to press it down. We want to pack that in as much as possible. I obviously have enough for another small jar. That pretty. All right, I'm gonna add the brine. If you can get your hands on some grape leaves, then use one now to cover this. I'm gonna use plastic wrap. And I'm going to use a weight. You can fill a little bottle with water or even a Ziploc with water and weigh it down. We want everything to be covered in brine. Cucumbers will pickle pretty fast, guys, because the juice inside the cucumber just allows it to pickle faster, to ferment faster, okay? I'm gonna now put this on a plate and I'm gonna put it in a dark corner and check it every day. Make sure that all the vegetables are covered in liquid. It should be ready between 3 and 7 days, okay? Guys, if I don't have enough liquid in there, then I'm just gonna take off my weight and add more of the brine. As you can see, I have plenty. I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. So this is the second day of making our pickles, and I wanna show you what's happening with the brine, okay? I've been pushing it down a couple times yesterday and this morning. I didn't have to anymore because it stayed in place. But look, the brine is coming up top. So that's why we need to put it on a plate, because if it starts dribbling down the jar, you don't want it on your counter, okay? There's no scum on here yet, but if I did get some, I would just remove it, okay? Our fermented cucumbers are ready, guys. You can see that the brine is cloudy. We have a little bit of scum here on the top. I'm gonna just remove that, and then I'm gonna wash my hands, take out that weight, and we'll taste this. Oh, I can't wait. So we'll start by removing that foam. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I'm gonna taste this. Wow, that cucumber is still crispy and it tastes like a pickle, guys. It's delicious. It's a little spicy from all the garlic. It's perfect. Oh, that onion. And that garlic, very spicy. You can leave this in the same jar. Just make sure that everything has brine always, okay? Don't let it dry up. Or you can transfer it to another jar, whatever you want. It'll keep in the refrigerator for 6 months. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.